Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Of course guys, I am in the beautiful city of Edmonton. So of course guys, we're in an hotel. What's it called again? Chateau Nova. No, it's one of those older renovated kind of hotel. The price wasn't really bad, to be honest. We spent like $100 per night. Of course, the hotels here in Canada, guys, they don't get all-inclusive services like what most of you guys would have been accustomed to in like Jamaica or other countries, right? So pretty much the only thing you're getting is the space. So this is what we're getting, of course, for $100 per night. We're here for a few nights. I'll just take you guys to, on a little tour of the room, show you guys what it's looking like, all right? So as you come through the tour, guys, you have the closet. So of course you get an iron board and two little hang up some clothes in case you travel heavy. Of course we travel light, one bag we get just a little and then that's it. You come a little further guys, you have the bathroom now. For the budget guys, personally, I love the bathroom, right? So if you come inside guys, you have a standing shower. That's can't tell you guys, I love standing shower. I don't know why, I just love it. So inside is pretty, it's clean, which is very important. It's very clean. So you know you get your lotion and little things and stuff like that. So yeah, that's very good. Right here of course is a toilet to get some towels, and right here you get a little face piercing. That's just in a mirror, by the way. Nice little design, kind of whatever finish this is, but kind of nice, cozy, feel a little bit homey, so that's pretty good. We get a little fridge. Now let's see what's in the fridge together guys, because we haven't opened it as yet. So let's see what's inside, if we get nothing at all inside. One empty fridge. So that's what I'm telling you. We don't, some hotels they get like a bottle of water and probably a little pop or whatever, but probably the hotel you just get one little fridge, probably one little ice maker, one little freezer. This is just to keep your food, pretty much. Food will come with, put it right here, and that's what it is. Of course, you got a microwave, very convenient, especially because we have malaria. You don't know so we're going to be able for sterilize and hot water and stuff like that, so that's convenient. We also get a coffee maker. Because of course we're in northern North America, and North Americans love them coffee. So every hotel that we've been in thus far, you get a coffee maker. We have never used one before, but we get a coffee maker. You get the little utensils, coffee maker and stuff. And this is just, I think, ice bucket. What is new right here guys is the fact that we get some additional utensils. This is pretty new. We haven't seen this any other hotel that we've been to. We've been to a few hotels here in Canada. Down here you have another clothes iron. Nope, that's not a clothes iron, that's a toaster, and I don't know what that is. Okay, and you got a few dish towels underneath there. So that's something that's pretty new. We've never seen that before. Coming over guys, we have regular TV, but we also get additional storage. This is like, if it is that we were here for a longer period of time, we would probably have somewhere to store our clothes. Of course, I think this is going to be very convenient. We're just here for a few nights. We might use it, we might not use it, but it's convenient. As it relates to the TV, you usually get basic cable, and if it is that you want additional movies or whatever, you can pay a little bit extra for different movies. Of course, I charge it to your credit card, and then it's totally up to you. Moving over, this is just another table in case you want to just hang out if you're doing some work. If you want to do like edit some YouTube videos or something, you just probably sit here and stuff like that. Now, what I don't like about this room is the view, guys. The view is awful, right? Now, all we're looking at is a lot of nothing, right? So that's nothing that's going on behind me. Yeah, this is the worst hotel that we've stayed in terms of view, right? The view is non-existent, but I think the ambience of the room kind of supplemented. And you know what we can do? Is to draw this thing right here. Draw this thing right here. And look guys, we don't even have to look outside anymore. So that's pretty good. So this is a basic double room. So you can get a king size room, a queen size room, a single double, or a 2-bed double room. Because you have this little one who's super excited, this is Fear bed, so she can't wait to go inside. Right? So that's one bed. And then this is where Nasa and I will be sleeping tonight, or myself if Nasa decides to sleep with Malika, who knows. We get a night table, we got a phone, the standard lighting. The lighting in here is not that great. And what we asked for additional is this playpen from Malia. Of course, Malia don't really sleep in bed, so we'll just throw her in a playpen. So the hotels actually provide playpen if you ask for it. No additional cost or anything, so that's pretty convenient. So this is where Malia will be sleeping, hopefully, fingers crossed. There ended the tour of this room. Now guys, what I would like to say is most hotels in Canada is pretty much the same. It's pretty much standard in terms of how it's set up pretty much. There's a few little knickknacks that might be a little bit different, but ultimately it's the same, right? It's pretty much somewhere to just lay your head, hang out, and just, you know, kind of spend a little time with family. Some hotels have pool, some hotels have 24 hours gym. I think this one have a 24-hour gym, but unfortunately the pool is closed. Malika, leave your phone alone. Yeah, so pretty much it's the same. Most hotels is the same. Setup is the same. Nothing really different, unless you go to the high-end hotels that we haven't been to as yet. Probably because we go to the same price range most of the time. So the setup is pretty much the same. But anyways guys, thank you so much for coming on this tour. We were in Edmonton for the remainder of the weekend. So if you guys are here in Edmonton, please comment down below. Make we link up, make we like a vibes, make we like energy, because I don't know that Edmonton is a place to be. We have a few link up lined up, and of course guys, we're taking you guys on our weekend in Edmonton. So please subscribe, like the video, and drop a comment. See you guys in the next video.